Upper intermediate, tech and academic vocabulary. Learn advanced words easily. Have you ever heard words like mitigate, iteration, or facilitate in a meeting or an academic paper and thought, what does that even mean? Don't worry, you're about to decode those words and more. And guess what? I'll explain everything so clearly that even a sixth grader could get it. In this video, I'll break down key upper intermediate tech and academic vocabulary in a way that is simple, practical, and easy to remember. By the end, you'll sound more professional and confident in any conversation. As an experienced ESL teacher and lifelong learner, I've helped thousands of students unlock complex vocabulary by breaking it down step by step. If you can follow along with me today, you will be amazed at how quickly you can improve. Tech and academic English have a lot in common. Both use precise, formal words that can be tricky to understand. So I'm going to teach you powerful academic words, essential tech terms, and how to use them in real life. Let's get started. Upper academic vocabulary. Let's start with academic vocabulary. Words you'll see in reports, presentations, and professional writings. Mitigate, a verb, meaning to reduce or lessen a problem. For example, the new policies aim to mitigate the effects of climate change. Facilitate, a verb, meaning to make something easier. For example, this software will facilitate better collaboration among teams. Subsequent, adjective, coming after something else. For example, the first test failed, but the subsequent trials were successful. Here's a tip. Academic English loves verbs that sound smart. Start using these in your writings and professional emails. Intermediate tech vocabulary. Now let's move on to essential tech vocabulary. These words are used in software development, IT, and tech business discussions. Iteration, noun, a version of a product or process that improves over time. For example, our team launched the first iteration of the app last month. Scalability, noun, the ability of a system to handle more users or data without breaking. For example, cloud computing improves the scalability of web applications. Deploy, verb, to release software or make a system live. For example, the update will be deployed next week to fix the bugs. Tech English loves action words, so if you're in tech, start using these in meetings and reports. How to use these words in real life. Now that you know these words, let's see them in action. Here's how you can use them in real conversations. In a job interview, in my last role, I helped facilitate collaboration between remote teams. A tech presentation, our platform was built with scalability in mind. Academic writing, the research found that subsequent studies supported the initial hypothesis. Start using these words today to sound more professional and confident. Bonus tip, use flashcards or apps like Anki to practice these words daily and challenge yourself. Try using at least one new word in a conversation today. Which word was new for you? Comment below. Now that you have powerful tech and academic vocabulary to sound more fluent and professional, if this video helped, give it a like subscribe for more bite-sized English lessons, and comment your favorite new word below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.